Hello everybody, I'm going to be doing, don't press the button, but if I die the video ends video again, so, yeah. This is don't press the button, but if I die the video ends, part 6. Okay, so let's collect a log. Yeah, I got a log, but I'm just gonna... Speed coil's broken. I got a coin. Let's go. Collect that. Give me that. Okay, and then we run back. Oh yeah, we gotta give me duck friends. Give me duck friends. We need... Yes, my ducklings. Follow me, my ducklings, and we shall be led to victory. How many more? How many more left? Okay, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I want to place the last one. I'm gonna place the last one. This guy's gonna place one, and then I'm gonna place one. Come on. Yay! I placed the last one. I'm amazing. Get bombed. Oh, I think that's what leads us into the cave. That's a lot of damage. Oh yeah, I love this one. Come on, keep going. Parkour! Oh yeah. Ducky. Come on, duckies. Come. Oh no. Presses a button. Oh, spam click the button. Spam click that button. Follow me, my ducklings. Almost 5K? Oh, almost. I almost said 5K. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, I'm going this one. Nope. I'm doing it. You're not doing it. Parkour. I'm a parkour master. Just get it. Yummy. This is so funny. I like to equip the cake item in the shop. Oh no. I think we die if I get a seeker. If I get seeked. So I'm just going here. Oh no. Go this way. Okay. I got my invisible staff, just in case I see a seeker. Is that the real seeker? That might be the real seeker. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, we do die. If we do that. Okay. Everybody, you're in a video. Everybody, you're in a video. Oh yeah, I'm going right. No, I always go left. Then we take a left. Go this way. And then you think it might be here. Nah, wrong. So we go here. We go here. I'm going the exact same place. Dang it. Everybody, you're in a video. Not a lot of, Yes, I'm in the air first. Oh no! The chat got in the way. Oh yeah, I'm winning. Definitely. I better have one. Yeah! Wait, where? Oh, here. Okay. Come on. Oh no, lag! Okay, that was close. That was a close one. Okay, we're gonna. Dang it! Oh no! Oh no! Da 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 da. Uh-oh! Lag! Yeah, I won! Probably because of lag. I'm lagging! What's happening?! I don't know. That does not count. That does not count. That was lag. That was holy lag. Like, if it were like a glitch, then maybe, but that was just lag. So, should I end it right here? I don't know. I'm just gonna. I feel like I should end it right here, but I'm just gonna continue anyway. Okay. I'm gonna fall on purpose. I'm gonna stay on this one until it gets picked. I'm gonna stay on this one until it gets picked. So if this one, oh okay, huh? Wait, I'm stuck though. That was unfair. That was unfair. I got stuck. Okay, but see, that was a glitch, so that does count. Okay, so yeah, I am going to end. What? I feel like one is gonna. Come on! You wanna go, buddy? You wanna go? I'ma slap you, huh? Why is it? Yeah, huh? How do you like that, huh? Huh? Yeah, that's right. One's not gonna fall on top of me. I'm just like that. One's not gonna fall on top of me.
It was at this moment that he knew.
2G. No! Fall on top of me! Okay, even if glitches didn't matter, I would have died. I've died 3 times in one video. That's the most. Okay, so, subscribe or else the duckies will come to your house. Hey, get back here, buddy! Get back here! This guy! You know what? I think I'm going to make the. I'm going to screenshot this guy. I'm gonna make him seem like a real butt face. That's what I'm gonna do in editing. So, subscribe if that guy is a butt face. Ha! Stop it yourself! Ah!
Hello, my name is Booty, the Tornado Butt of Doom. You should definitely subscribe or I will come over for dinner. Please insult me in the comments as I deserve it for slapping Brit, the bestest YouTuber in the ever.